Welcome to the TrueReviews channel. Today we're diving into CMC Markets, a broker known for its low costs and powerful trading platform. But is it the trader's dream it claims to be, or does it have its flaws? Stick around as we explore its regulations, platform features, reviews, and customer support. Let's start with the regulations. CMC Markets is regulated by 5 Tier 1 authorities, including the FCA, ASIC, and MAS, making it a trusted broker. But even with these strong regulatory foundations, many traders are concerned about the high-risk nature of CFDs and the leverage involved. With 67% of retail investor accounts losing money on CFDs, could this be a major warning sign? The allure of low commissions and thousands of instruments might come at a very high cost. Next, the platform. CMC Markets offers the next-generation platform, packed with advanced charting, a massive range of instruments, and powerful tools. Some traders love the customization and speed, while others find the learning curve steep, with occasional performance glitches. Does it really stand out among competitors like MetaTrader, or should you stick to more intuitive options? When it comes to reviews, CMC Markets shines in areas like low spreads, a solid mobile app, and excellent research tools. However, its Trustpilot rating of 1.65 raises concerns. Traders complain of poor customer support, long response times, and frustrating technical issues. Is this a pattern or just bad luck? Can you rely on CMC Markets when it matters most? Customer support is another area of contention. While CMC Markets offers 24/5 assistance, many users report slow responses, which could be a deal breaker in real-time trading. So, can you trust them during crucial moments, or is this a serious flaw? In the end, CMC Markets offers competitive pricing and a powerful platform, but comes with its share of complaints. Consider the pros and cons before making your decision.